What are you about to do?
I'm gonna make some pulls.
Alright guys, how about that for an intro? We got Wespo over here grabbing gears in the Civic, all tuned up for Street Car Takeover.
Gonna make some power.
Yeah, I hear that.
Some ass.
Who's ass? In specific.
I mean, no one specific. I mean, Greg A, Jason Harris. No, not calling any names. Or
anyone can get it. If you see the Civic out at Street Car Takeover, come over, say what's up to Wes. The Cal will be out there. But today what we are doing is we're doing some Trans-Amming. And because we don't have AC in the garage and it's a beautiful day out, we set the tent.
Good neighbor Dennis might be hooking us up with a little window unit. So
AC in the garage. Productivity to a whole nother level. But for now, we set the tent up outside. We get a breeze, we grab some beers, and we're going to finish gutting the Trans Am. But man, the Civic is Westbound land on the limiter. I thought it was pretty nice. Yeah. It's a little different change of pace. Now I've had some of you guys say like, "Hey man, don't change. Are you going over to the dark side, dude?" I'm not a Civic guy. I've done things with Wes. So like, it's cool. I respect it, but it's not for me. I'm a V8 guy until I die, and we're gonna be going wheels up with this. And then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna convert you over once you get to riding this thing.
Maybe.
Because the cow's no fun on the street. The cow's just boring. It's cool to look at, but it's boring. This thing is going to be all fun. So we got to move some coolers full of beer. I got all of my parts over there for the Trans Am. I got some banners and stuff. We got to clean up a little bit in here. Push the Trans Am out after I fill up its wore out drag radial. And this is what the Trans Am looks like right now. It's just about empty. And we're making progress. Definitely making progress. Here we are, so all I have left to do is get the AC stuff out. I think I'm going to leave the steering rack in, and then I'm just going to get the rest of the wiring out of the vehicle. So we're going to start with a clean slate. I don't know if I should undo more of this. I do still use the e-brake. It's the only thing that stops the vehicle from rolling around, and I like to have the e-brake when I put it on the trailer. But we're just getting everything ready to prep for the front end, get that put on, then get the tubular front end installed up at J&J Fab, and then get a roll cage put in. So yeah, we're just trying to clean everything up. We're not going to run factory floor mats or floor carpet or carpet, whatever. Besides right here, it's in really good condition. So if anyone out there with an F-body needs one, hit me up. I am definitely junkyard price, like 50 bucks, takes about anything. I purchased some new GoPros, as you guys can see. Pow! New GoPro. I'll be filming a lot of the in-car stuff on the GoPro today.
Insert Civic footage here.
Oh no, that's already in the intro, sir. Oh, you want it again?
Insert Civic footage here.
Alright, so let's dive into it.
That was the inside tail skate panel of my
Oh man. Alright guys, they are outside. We got good neighbor Dennis and Will over here. We got some active neighbors in the community here, which is great, and they don't mind us messing around. But what we're doing today is we are just going to remove the rest of this AC and the wiring. So I've been delaying. I went inside, answered emails, and I guess there's no other time like now to get started, and we'll see how much we can get knocked out. Alright, so I was chasing this wire around and it ended up going all the way to the back. As you can see, I got it all the way out.
Fuel pump and shit.
And what that has led to is Dennis he's like my motivator. He motivates me to really get tearing stuff down. He brought over a nice pair of cutters, and I just needed the motivation just to cut something. So we got it about all the way out, and we're at the point where we're like, well, let's just take the carpet out. We are going to gut this thing fully today. It looks like carpet delete is about to be in full effect. And man, this thing's so net. Wes, $100 if you eat that.
What is it? Oh.
$100 right now.
Oh god, it's been open. Nope, not gonna do it. It's yellow. Not gonna do it.
Could have had $100 right there. But yeah, good neighbor Dennis. We're gonna need to create you an Instagram and get you like, social media account so people can keep up with you.
Oh man, I'll tell you. Well, just being in your shadow is enough for me. I'm very grateful. Just play a cameo as neighbor Dennis.
Oh, we definitely
neighbor
appreciate
Dennis
that.
as neighbor Dennis.
And we've seen the comments. People like request more of that. And we got Will over here, the other neighbor. Will, say what's up.
Hey, what's going on?
So it's like it's turning in. This build is going to be a community build now. Like everyone's going to go to the track and we're all going to run it. But yeah, so I guess Wes, how are we doing here? So
Look at the armrest back here for the back seat. That's primo for 1999. Look at that.
all right. Well, I guess we need to get a couple more bolts out and then carpet out.
You know what they say? She gone.
Will over here taking out the world's longest bolt.
Apparently.
Why on earth do they have to put such a long bolt to hold in something that really? What does that do? That just holds the T-tops.
Yeah.
I mean, I get it. The T-tops are.
Hey, you've got to keep the mullet in the car at all times. So.
These might be the only things I reinstall of the interior, just so I could hold the T-tops when I go to make a pass.
God, I don't think it's moved.
It's right here. It finally came out.
That thing is like, that bolt is like that long. It's like a solid 4-inch bolt.
And Dennis helped me get the carpet out. So as you guys can see here, this is why they call it the salty chicken. A little bit of rust, just a little bit.
Too salty.
Nothing too bad there, but definitely noted some rust has occurred in here.
Weight reduction at its finest.
Yeah,
actually.
that's natural weight reduction. I mean, look at this.
You poked that too hard, that's going straight to the ground, so you're good. We don't need the whole saw.
Hey man, that's just ventilation at that point.
Yeah, this is gonna be the car that when you do a burnout, the inside just fills with smoke. Just one of those.
From the rust holes from the bottom, actually.
You want to do the honors? I think he's ready.
Do I want to do the honors? No, I've been embarrassed, to be honest with you. Do I want to do the honors? This thing has kicked my ass for like weeks on end. Woo!
Take it, baby. Take it off. Take it off. I got more. There you go. And there it is.
Look at that. Teamwork makes the dream work. I'm like the first like 30% guy. You know, I'll get the first 30% done in no time, and then I just need someone to help come clean up. Oh, look, we found a cell phone back there too. No. Can you believe that? Someone left that phone when they built this car in '99. Man.
It's a flip phone, but that's all right.
What do we do now? I just got to get the rest of the wiring out of the front. What do you think, Wes? Look at all that. That's like 40 pounds of just nonsense.
Literally, what you've taken out today is what the Civic weighs.
Yeah, that's the truth right there. And how hot is it? Like I said it before, but people don't understand.
It's got to be like 98 with a humidity of 100%.
It's a beer dispenser. Look,
Oh, is that what that is?
knock on the window and look what happened. And 3 times on the dashboard.
Look at that.
1, 2, 3 on the dashboard.
You gotta be like, oh, here
Another one.
it is.
There you go.
This is what drives us around here. Pour one out for my homies that built this sucker. All right, so we got a ton of stuff done to the Trans Am today. Thank you, Will, for all the help.
Hey, man,
and
no
we're
problem.
paying you in beer, which I feel like is the proper way to do it. Wes is decided to give Dennis a ride in the Turbo Civic. So this is the first person that's not like a race car person that's gotten in the Civic. It definitely has more bark. Sorry, it definitely has more bite than bark. We got a GoPro in there. Hey, you two have fun. Make sure he leaves off the two-step.
Now, what is this for?
I don't know. That was in here when I bought it. So
How cool. I mean, this thing I haven't seen it move since I've known you guys.
really,
Yeah. Yeah, don't lighten up for me.
okay.
Fear doesn't bother me. See, there's my
I'm
headrest
ready to get a
right
little
there.
bit warm.
Yeah, let it get some temperature in it, but as I say, I won't be scared until we're on about our 3rd barrel roll.
Yeah.
So
no.
anything short of rolling it, you know, a few times, I'll be fine.
That's just a,
Wow.
that's probably 50% right there.
And what kind of RPM are we hitting on there when it starts
So,
opening up? Who built it for you?
A guy out of Raleigh built it, actually.
Let's give him a plug. Guy out of Raleigh. That is stupid.
It's pretty awesome, right?
The smell of rubber, man. The smell of rubber. Nothing better. Holy crap, that hooks up.
Let's see the face. Oh, he got a wow. How was it?
Well, I'll tell you what I can't believe is how quiet it is, and it sounds like a daily driver.
Did he leave off the two-step one time?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Yes, he
Nice,
did.
nice.
And I'll tell you what, the weird thing is, it's so quiet, it drives so nice.
It feels like you're going 200 miles an hour.
Well, it feels like you're just driving a nice 160 horsepower Honda until he gets into it.
Yep.
And then the tire starts smoking and it throws you back.
Yep.
You want to go for a ride, Will?
It's
I won't say no to
unbelievable.
I can't turn you down.
No, I mean, come on. Wes is safe at this point. If he brought Dennis back, he's good.
Yeah, let me tell
You
you.
want to look at it real quick?
Oh,
come
man.
check it out.
I'll
No,
tell you what.
we'll wait. We'll wait.
You want to mount it back up for Will?
Are you ready to go for a ride?
Yeah, man.
All right, we'll mount it back up for Will.
Just throw it over the
Pretty nifty, huh? Something different.
Unbelievable. I've never been in such a fast four-cylinder in my life.
Is the hood good? Let me
With
find
4 wheels on it.
Let me
I got
close
you.
that.
I got you. You're good to
good?
good to go, Wes. Driving no shoes. I like that.
shoes.
As Peter says, you got to feel the horsepower.
Brad's taught me well, so
He has.
You gotta
Brad's
feel
taught me
it.
well.
You don't need soul coming between you and the accelerator.
Are they ready for that? It's a weird feeling, huh?
I don't know. I think they're going to shit their pants. I think it's going to be kind of fun if they're recording inside to see their expression.
Yep. I hear
Because I've
that.
been on some 9 and 10 second motorcycles.
And it feels a little bit different. Well, it's also you're not in control either.
Right.
So it's a little something
and I've
different.
been in fast cars and they don't freak me out, but
That thing will.
that freaks me out.
All right, you guys have fun now.
I got radials on it, so it usually hooks pretty well.
Oh, I can see.
Let's see. We'll go off the two-step.
Yeah, it's all right.
Not too shabby, right?
Yeah, that ain't bad, man.
For a four-cylinder.
Oh yeah. Man, that was a lot of fun. I appreciate it.
Oh yeah, no problem.
It's all right, man. It pulls good.
All right, so here we are. We got the tent halfway down, trying to keep as much sun out of here as possible. We got all of the wiring out, except for come on, all the wiring. We got the throttle cable out. Some stuff was cut. Most of it came out as a whole. We got a bunch right there, and then good neighbor Dennis picked up everything from the front end, which had a couple different lights, had the fog light bulbs and everything, and just smashed them on the floor. And then picked them up again and smashed it on the floor again. We're talking about how you're just breaking glass in here.
Man. We'll be a few more minutes. Maybe it could be as long as 5 minutes. We'll see in a bit.
I can't. You can deal with it.
What do you think this thing weighs right now?
Well, I mean, I literally dropped 100 pounds just in wiring harnesses and carpet. I mean,
So, essentially maybe 2,000.
so what we're gonna do next,
23?
the next step for this, guys, before it gets anything installed on it, we are going to start cutting. We're gonna chop off the front end, and we're gonna hole saw inside the passenger compartment, try to get as much weight out of there as possible. Still gonna run the T-tops and everything like that. Then we're gonna start throwing the chromoly K-member on there, brakes. We're gonna run the stock front tires on there just for a little bit, and then it's time to get really rolling on there, get a transmission there, get an engine management system, and get a rear end in there, and then we'll be pretty much about wrapped up. I got the motor. Jason Harris says he's got the heads for me, so I can't wait. Other than that, I think we're all set. So I do want to thank you guys for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. I got my merchandise down in the description below. Other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow for another daily vlog.
Hey, wheel gap to the max. Wheel gap. You don't see that shit on the Civic.
What?
Wheel gap, boy.
Wheel gap? Talking about fender gap?
If I don't see a drop spindle on that thing,
The hell is that? It's almost 3 fingers. That's like what my truck has.
That's what she said.
Your mom's gonna be upset when she sees this on the video.